Yeah, so we're back again. So this is the full on tutorial on how to read charts. You understand? So reading charts, you need like 2 or 3 different time frames. You need 3 different time frames. Then you focus on one time frame. Okay, so I'm going to talk more about that in a second. But first of all, let me explain. You understand? If you are if you want to day trade, you have enough time like me on your hands that you can trade every day. You understand? You may be interested in day trading. Day trading is just holding trades throughout the day, then make sure that it doesn't cross over to the next day. Then you can swing trade. Swing trading is just taking a position and leaving it there for weeks, months, several many days. You understand? Why intraday trading, you can open a trade today, then the purpose of closing it tomorrow or a day before or next tomorrow, you understand? So scalping, right? Scalping are just the very intermediate ones that okay, that you are really have time, you want to get in and out of the market as quickly as possible. But that is very risky. So as a beginner, we advise that you go on to day trading. So if you want to day trade like me, then your major time frame is the 15 minutes time frame. Then your entry time frame is your 5 minutes time frame. Why? Your overall market continuation is the 1 hour time frame. Now you can tell from my screen that my screen is in the 1 hour time frame because this is where I view the market, where the market is going, and levels that I need to see broken. You understand? Before I can consider taking a trade. You understand? So to be to be a successful trader, you understand, you need to be very picky and very selective. You understand? Me, I'm extremely selective. You understand? So before I take a trade, I have so many criteria that I need to see happen. Number one, I need to know where the overall direction is in the market. If it's trending or if it's consolidating or if it's trending down, anywhere it's going, because me, I only trade two market type. You understand? I only trade trending market type. Basically, that's all I trade. So if the market is trending, I'm looking to trade it. But if it's not trending, if it's not making lower highs on the 1 hour time frame, you understand? So I'm not really interested in trading that day. You understand? So I just call it a day. That's why I can go several weeks. Sometimes I can go several days in a week without trading. Sometimes a week I'll really get just one setup because I trade one pair and one setup. I'm very picky, very selective. So that one will help you manage. You understand? For the next part, we're going to talk about how to do risk management. So that will help you in your risk management and how to not to overtrade. You understand? You need to have like 3 criteria you need to see before you enter a trade. So depend on the strategy you choose to go with. You understand? That also depends on the strategy you choose and you pick to go with. Like me now, for example, now I trade breakout and retest only. You understand? I don't care what's going on. If I see a breakout, if I see a retest, I'm taking the trade. You understand? The breakout and retest can happen on any time frame. You understand? Not I must not see a breakout and retest on the 1 hour time frame. So me, I kind of scale them. You understand? So I have what I call box to box. Why? After box to a newer box. You understand? Like for example, now if you see this my chart right here, you can see from this angle that I have 2 blue lines, then I have one orange line. You understand? Then I have a bigger green line. You understand? This is my bigger green line is like to get a very wider range of where market is going to react in the nearest future. So I go on to the daily time frame for that to get that blue line. Then I like I tape all the key points. You understand? I tape all the key points from head to toe. You understand? So this is daily time frame now. Let's load. Come on, load, load. Yeah. So as you can see, this is daily time frame. You understand? Like what I was telling you guys, you can see that I have marked all key zones that I know price are most likely to react from. You understand? So I've marked all. Then I know what's going to happen, what's going to stop, and areas I know price is likely going to react from. So going back to the 1 hour time frame, if you go back to the 1 hour time frame, you will discover that these are former keys. This was the key zone, and you can see the reaction from this area here. You understand, before pushing upwards. You understand? So now let's get back to the focus, to the bone of contention, and how to read charts. You understand? If you are an intermediate, you are new to the game, you need to take it from up to down. Like me now, I don't really use the 1 hour time frame again. All I do is just use the 15 minutes time frame. You understand? So this is the only time frame I need because I already know the chart formation. You understand? I already know key areas to break out, and I know what will happen on the 1 hour time frame. You understand? So with years of experience, I've have the muscle memory or the mental memory to know what's going on in the bigger time frame and what's going on in the smaller time frame. You understand? So I just use only the 15 minutes time frame. But you just starting out, you will need the 1 hour time frame to really know what's going on. You understand? So this is how it's going to happen. Okay. So there are several trading strategies, like I said, and the theory I'm going to teach you guys today are basically trend trading, which is breakout and retest, then breakout, you understand, from consolidation or from a trend, you understand, then trade within a trend. You get, so these are the three trading strategy I'm going to teach you guys. So starting from the first trading strategy, which is trading trending markets. You understand, to trade trending markets, you need to know and understand what you're getting into. You understand? You need to make sure that the market, first of all, is trending. You understand? And you need to know the direction in which the market is trending. Now, for example, now if you look at this GDP USD on the 100 time frame, you will notice that it's trending up. You understand? If the market was here, you will notice what I did here. I marked here up, then I marked here down. You understand? So this is what I call a range. You understand? So I know that within the next day, market is bound to trade within this range. You understand? The whole day you can see it started the range from 22nd, then throughout the day to the next day before finally breaking out. You understand? So this is the full range. You understand? So in the 1 hour time frame now, you mark the range, then you go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Since you're not going to wait, you cannot wait for a breakout and retest on the 1 hour time frame. That means you want to swing trade because it takes a lot of time for it to break out, pull down to that area, and continue. You understand? And swing trading requires a lot of bigger stop loss and bigger targets. You understand? And the risk is smaller. You understand? So today now we'll drop down now to the 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see, we've already marked it here up and down now. So we are trading a trending market. You understand? First of all, we need to know where the market is trending to, and to do that, we make use of this R2 here. Then we mark the market was here, went up, understand? Came down again, it didn't break out, break down. Now you notice that this is what I call internal trending. You understand? What you're really looking for here now is a break of structure to the major direction of the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. You understand? You're looking for a break of structure to continue on the 1 hour time frame. You understand? And the 1 hour time frame is trending upwards. You understand? So that's where your bias is. You understand? Before your bias will change from this whole thing is if markets trends downwards and break down here, break this range. You understand? Now you know that the momentum has shifted on the higher time frame because it has also broken the major support that was holding this whole uptrend upwards. You understand? or this whole consolidation, because this is a bigger consolidation than 1 hour time frame. So you know this is something that is holding the whole market direction. This white here changed. This white here can literally change the direction of the market. You understand? So you want to make sure that you know the true range, which is gotten from the 1 hour time frame, like I showed you guys before. You mark the high and you mark the low of the true range. Then you stay down to your 15-minute time frame. You monitor what price is doing. You understand? Because that in turn will give you a sense of direction on when to take the trade and where to place your stop losses when you're taking the trade. You understand? So mark down here, you can see you're still going with the flow, it's still trending, and this is not really concerning us at the moment because we have not seen what we are looking for. The market is just doing its thing. You understand? So at this moment now, all I just do is just set alert down here. If it breaks down this support, then I know that it's going down. Set alert up here. You understand? Set alert up here, then set alert up here. You understand? Because this is the one holding the internal downtrend downward. So we need a break of structure to shift upwards to continue the upward movement, as you can already see here. As you can already see here. So set an alert up here to signify a breakout, that the breakout is happening. Understand? So just if you notice that if you don't know what happened, the market will just trending, just keep trending up, down, up. This just broke, but it didn't break well. So take down. Then this is a major breakout. You can see this breakout here now takes out this top range. You understand? This first range also took out this range here too, but we are more focused on the high probability trade. And why I said that we are focused on the high probability trade, because it all depends on where your stop loss is going to be at the end of the day. Because if we take our buy region, our buy symbol now, if we are to take this trade now, you can see, let's look for where price broke out from. Price broke out from this range here. You can see this was the former support. So if I was to set a buy limit, because I use buy or sell limit, I don't use market orders to trade. If I was to set a buy limit, I would have set it somewhere around here. Understand? For market to really come and retest this whole area, then my stop loss will be at the end of this whole full support that was pushing the price upwards. You understand? So my stop loss will be somewhere around here, 17 pips. You understand? So my stop loss will be somewhere around here. Then I'll be looking to break out this whole market. Then 1:3 is what I usually aim for, which is 1:3. So my take profit will be right here. So you can get the whole mathematics. Like as we saw now, the thing didn't come down to my area of interest. You understand? So, and it's also not a higher probability trade, like I said before, because it's still within this range and anything can happen as long as the price is still trading within this range here. You understand? You can still hear one something and the whole thing just go down rapidly, boom, hit your stop loss and continue on his way. So I don't like really trading within the range. I like a breakout and I see a significant shift in structure. You understand? So, and this right here is a significant shift I would like to see, because you can see it broke out this top support range and now we are looking for the pullback. You understand? Now the pullback is very easy in this case. Where the price broke out from? It did break out from here. You understand? So this my yellow tool now is for me. That's a change of trend, and I'll be looking for, okay, where the price broke out from. You understand? It broke out from this area. So technically my buy limit now will be somewhere around here, and my stop loss will be below this whole area here. My stop loss my buy limit will be here. My stop loss will be below this area, because this is a major area holding this home upward. You understand? But me, I like giving it more room. You understand? I like using like 15 minutes, like 15 pips. You understand? So I just get I just get the extra pips there just in case market try to do a stop loss hunt. You understand? So I just like giving it extra 15 pips. You understand? The only reason why I'm giving extra 15 pips here is because my area that I'm looking for price not to break is this area right here. I'm not looking for price to break around this area. You understand? So this whole space is just value added services just to make sure that price don't break this area and just do a quick stop loss hunt for me. You understand? So what's like as you can see, like I just demonstrated to you guys now, it is okay for price, it's okay for your stop loss to change, but the amount you are risking per trade is not allowed to change. You understand? So I will teach you guys in the next episode for risk management. It's okay for your price to change, it's okay for your stop loss to change, your lot size to change, but the amount of money you are risking is not allowed to change. For example, now you are risking $50. $50 must be the maximum stop loss if it hits, depending if you are using 10 pips, 2 pips, whatever pips, 100 pips. As long as the maximum amount you are losing on that trade is $50, then you are correct. And the higher risk you are going to get is at least times 3, or if you say okay, times 2. But the highest you need to go for is times 3, so that you can cover for the bad days and the losses that will come, because losses must come. You're not a robot. The losses must definitely come. So in this case now, you can see we've seen a higher setup now. We've seen a break out of this area now. We've seen a retest that caused this whole breakup. Across this was the candle that caused this whole move up. Then we are looking to retest again this candle, and our stop loss ideally should be below this candle for safety, but we're giving an extra room to run and do staying. You understand? So our take profit will be ideally 1:3. So this is 1:3. You understand? So this is it for the breakout and the test strategy. You understand that? This is strategy I use most of the time. You understand? So I'm just giving you guys out there so you understand what it is. So let's move down now to something that's happening currently, as we are saying, like a current market activities. Now, this is the 1 hour time frame. Like I just told you guys some minutes ago, not quite long. You understand that this time frame is like you want to see the market trending. You understand? You want to see the market trending. Like when you got here, you can see the market was doing a clear high, low, high, low. It was not just moving, consolidating like one direction. You understand? You can see the moment that market got here, it was just moving down. You see the moment that it rose up, it broke this area, it continued. You understand? So this market is trending quite well. Then if you see this situation now, is quite different. This market now technically is not trending anymore, because if you see this thing, it just came down here, up, you see, edge up here, up again. It refused to break out from this area. You understand? See, just came up again. See this one, the same area again. Now it's going down again. So technically, the market now is just doing like continue consolidating, just doing stuff, and we don't trade this market. You understand? We don't trade something like this, because something like this, when this thing is very risky. You understand? So me, if I'm to be the one trading GU today, as the 1 hour time frame is not trending, I will just let it be. You understand? I will just let it be until it's trending. I will not bother myself trading this market, because it can end terribly. And because we don't know where the market is going, we can only follow in the direction that has more probability. You understand? And we need that edge to continue. You understand? So if I'm to take this thing out now, you can see the market now is just trending. Let's take our 2 year. This is the high point. You understand? This is the high point, and this is the low point. You understand? This is the lower point. Yeah, so this is the lower point for this. So if we were to dive into the 15 minutes time frame, so if you are to dive into the 15 minutes time frame, So this is the 15 minutes time frame. You can see the market is choppy. There's nothing like breakout. There's nothing like retest. Then market is continuing like what we had here. You can see this was the range. You can see when it broke out, it retested and it continued. You understand? So you can see with this whole time frame now, you can see market is just moving randomly. Market is moving randomly. It's just up, down, middle. It has no head. You understand? There's no need trying to trade something like this that does not have any head. And how do you know it doesn't have any head? Because it's not trending on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is not trending. 1 hour time frame is not trending. The 15 minutes time frame is just full of shit. You understand? So on this market condition now, you just let it be. You understand? So you ask the question, okay, let me let it be now. So on what market condition now should I start trading this market now? So if you want to come back to this market to trade this market again, it will be when the market starts moving. You understand? How do you know the market has improved and the market is now moving? You understand? You see something like okay, the market for the market to move now, you see the market should at least start from a higher low. For example, now if the market want to go down, you understand? You can see the market will go down, break out, because this is the area that is holding this whole thing up. A break below this area now signifies that the market is shifting momentum to the downward side. Take note, we are day trading. You understand? A shift here on this 1 hour time frame signify a downtrend movement on the lower time frames. You understand? If you are intraday trading or if you are swing trading, then this time frame should be at least the 4 hour time frame. If you use the 4 hour time frame, then the 4 hour time frame will give you a momentum shift that then you know where the market is heading to on the lower time frame. And the 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hour time frame, then you can see those other ones will last you more because you're looking to hold on the trade for much longer. We are not looking to hold on the trade for past that day. So we are using this 1 hour time frame. A shift here is probably going to give us enough setup to last the whole day. You understand? We get at least our 1/3 for that blessed day. So that's all we are looking for. That's all we are going after. You understand? Then you want to see a shift now from this area. You know it's going down. You need to see a shift from this area down, breaking this lower high. You understand? Then coming back to retest this area, then continue down. You understand? When it has done all these things, you understand, you know that there's a confirmed breakout and the market is trending down. So you can go again, pick this two. You can go again, you pick this two now, mark from here down to here up, then you just go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Then you go back to the 15 minutes time frame again. So this is our up and down. You go back to the 15 minutes time frame, then you see the market will start doing is staying. You understand? Market will start doing all its normal activities, and you just look for a significant change in internal structure moving downwards. Then you know where to place your stop loss and your take profit. You understand? Then if it breaks here again, you know that okay, market now is shifting to the higher time frame, to the upward side. Then you scale back again to the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour. Then you study the chart again. Then you know what's going on in that time frame. You understand? Before doing the same process all over again. You understand? You repeat the same process all over again. Then you repeat the same process all over again. Then if you see something like this, for example, now market takes out, break out this, because this is the area that is holding this thing consolidating down. A breakout, you see a retest now, then you see a new breakout. You understand? Until this breakout happens, you have nothing to do with the chart. You understand? So this is the breakout you're looking for to trade. You understand? You can go back and draw your range again, then you can see to catch in continuation of this trade. I hope you understand what I'm saying, and I hope you're getting what I'm saying. You understand? Because this shit is very easy, but what is hard is the patience and ability to listen and see what's happening Yes. And so that's how to trade breakout and retest. If you want to learn how to trade other strategies, you can comment on the comment section, and I will be very, very obliged, very, very happy to teach you how to trade those stuff. Then we move on to the risk management part and psychology level part. That is the real deal. You understand? That's the really deal. You understand? For this one, just go, you practice several times. You can come to TradingView. You can use your TradingView. I'll put the link down below. You can use TradingView to practice like I just did. You can just put your buy limit, set it down, you come back to the area, do your stop loss. You can use to practice till you know you can probably move. You can change. You can trade with the high probability in direction of the market. So see, I see you guys next time. Please support. The only way you can support this channel is just like, support, comment, share this old stuff so I can reach more audience. So I'll make more wonderful videos like this for you, guys. So it's very, very easy. See you guys in the next video. You understand? So let's go get it.